This is Sergio, and today we're going to see how to build a tracking system that also integrates a database so that we can store our information. This is very important because finally we are switching from what is a demo solution. Everything that you see online mostly are demo solutions where there is some tracking, counting of objects done with camera that works on just a few seconds of video. The information is displayed on the screen, but there is no real structure behind this. There is no backend, and that's just a demo, not a real world project. I've also shared many of these videos, and today we're going to get more into this, not only today, also in next videos. And why is this important? Because real system require data retention, so you need data for everything that you want. If you want reports, if you want later to use the information, but also if you want to build a structure for the automation. When you have data on a database, you can build APIs, you can put alerts, you can build dashboards, and so on, and build the logic of the system. And also with the structure, then you can scale your solution. When you build just a Python code that can run on a very short video, that cannot do much. But when you have a database, we have a more solid structure, then later you can have longer run times. If the project needs to run for hours, days, weeks, months, and so on, you can do this because all the data is stored and that stays there. Even if the system stops running, even if there is some blackout and so on, when you process the video, you have the information. To show this example today, I'm going to build this on this specific video footage that I found. We are going to specifically select different lanes right here. Let's suppose that we want to track the vehicles and understand on which lanes the vehicle are passing. So we will select 7 different lanes right here that I'm drawing now. When the vehicle crosses this lane, then we can store this information in the database. What can we do with this information? With such information, we can create a detailed report on where the vehicle was, on what specific time. We can create detailed report on dwell time of the vehicle, max length queue, how many vehicles on a certain hour, and so on. So once we have this information, later we can extract it as we want. And of course, this is just a sample right here that I'm showing you. You can apply the same system on any type of AI vision solution, whether you are tracking any type of objects from a conveyor belt, if you are detecting defects, if you are tracking, counting people, if you are detecting size of objects, anything, the concept is similar. You need to take the information that you see on the screen and then save everything into database.